In each module, I have given you a discussion forum. I have added some content to help you get started creating a discussion. The instructions section allows you to post when you want them to respond by, when you want them to post replies to classmates, how to view the grading rubric, and any other instructions you want to post. The discussion topics section is where you can put the information about the topic of this forum. I have also included a how to use the discussion board section with a link to the Canvas guides. You can replace any of my language with your own. However, I want to encourage you to be as descriptive as possible for the students. Students need to know what your requirements are for posting, how they will be graded, and what you expect them to talk about. If you want to remove a discussion from a module, go to the modules page, click the three dots to the right of the discussion, and select Remove from the menu. If you want to delete a discussion altogether, click on Discussions in the navigation bar, click the three dots to the right of the discussion you want to delete, and select Delete from the menu.